Hi, this is Dr. Andy Weber, and I thought I would share with you some information that was recently published in the journal Scientific Advances. So, some new news about the link between Alzheimer's disease and periodontal disease. So, it seems really kind of strange, but there were some studies that linked a specific bacteria that's found in chronic periodontitis. This is called Porphyromonas gingivalis. It's very specific to people who have chronic periodontitis. And chronic periodontitis affects 50% of the adult population over the age of 30. So it's a pretty prevalent disease. It's the same amount of people that are living in California and in Texas. And this is something that I treat at the office, excellent dental specialist. So basically what the study found, and this is kind of no new news, but it's fairly new news to I think a lot of people out there, is that bacteria was isolated in those people, those patients who actually, the brains of the patients who have been proven to have diagnosed with Alzheimer's. So to take this a little step further, there's a company called Cortisem that actually what they did is they took mice and they infected the mice with the oral bacteria, Porphyromonas gingivalis, that chronic periodontitis bacteria, and they found that in those mice they had the same degeneration in the brain that we see typically in Alzheimer's. Now, this is a very, very groundbreaking study. This is a big study. You're going to hear a lot more about this going forward because a lot of us, suffer from Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's is a really significant cause for death. Obviously, it's a situation our bodies are living longer, but our brains have kind of almost like this half-life. So we want to basically do our best to prevent ourselves from getting Alzheimer's. So, you hear a lot of news about this, but I think the biggest thing is to take into account that it does link strongly periodontal disease and Alzheimer's disease. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that, hey, there's going to have to be a lot of research on this to really iron it all out. But it does suggest that, hey, it's a great idea. If you want to help prevent yourself from having Alzheimer's disease, this is one step to take. And there's a lot of research that's coming out into it. So give us a call here at Excellent Dental Specialist. Again, I'm Dr. Andrew Weber. I'm a board-certified periodontist. I've been doing this for about 20 years. And we want to basically help your mouths and help your minds.